subscribe button and press the bell icon. Hey everyone, today we are going to do these pretty paper earrings. So let's get started. Firstly, take a buckled paper or a thick canvas sheet. Draw a circle and cut it out. Now apply some gold color nail polish over the paper. Take a gold stone chain and start sticking it from the end of the paper. And I'd like to thank Kamala Arts for your valuable comment in my previous video. Thanks for your support. And if you do want to get featured in my next video, do comment down below in this video. And I will pick one of your comment in my next video. Also added a gold ball chain over here. I added about 3 to 4 layers of stone chain. And lastly, add a round kundan in the center. Your earring is almost done, and let this dry for some time. Now take a pin and a pearl and attach them together using the plier. Cut out the pin to make it short. Similarly, do this for the hook as well. In total, you need 3 pearls and a hook to make one earring. Now take your base and apply some glue and stick the pearls in the left, right and in the center. Also add the hook at the top. Lastly, take another paper and glue it over. I also colored it with golden colored nail polish. That's it, you're done. Your designer paper earrings are ready to wear. They look so pretty and beautiful. And if you do love them, do comment down below and also subscribe to my channel and help me reach 1000 subscribers. Thank you for watching and happy crafting!